The similar meaning of the word sovereign is. The correct answer is A. Autonomous. The similar meaning of the word several is. The correct answer is B. Diverse. The similar meaning of the word official is. The correct answer is A. Formal. The opposite meaning of the word ensure is. The correct answer is B. Prevent. The opposite meaning of the word elected is. The correct answer is A. Unelected. The Constitution of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan consists of. The correct answer is A. 280 articles. The Constitution of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan declares Urdu as. The correct answer is D. Official language. The Constitution of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan declares English as. The correct answer is A. Official language. The 1973 Constitution provides the separation of powers among the executive, legislature, and. The correct answer is D. Judiciary. Pakistan is a sovereign state governed by. The correct answer is A. Elected representatives. The synonym of the word chatting is. The correct answer is D. Gossip. The antonym of the word start is. The correct answer is D. End. The synonym of the word selected is. The correct answer is D. Appointed. The antonym of the word wondrous is. The correct answer is B. Normal. The synonym of the word operate is. The correct answer is A. Perform. The antonym of the word intolerable is. The correct answer is A. Tolerable. The antonym of the word migrate is. The correct answer is B. Permanent. The antonym of the word obligatory is. The correct answer is B. Voluntary. The synonym of the word dispute is. The correct answer is B. Argument. The antonym of the word success is. The correct answer is A. Failure. Select the correct spelling of a word for a place where children study. The correct answer is A. School. Select the correct spelling of a word for a place where patients are treated. The correct answer is B. Hospital. Choose the correct spelt word. The correct answer is B. Delicious. Select the correct spelling of a word for a place where flowers are cultivated. The correct answer is B. Garden. Choose the correct spelt word. The correct answer is A. Paralyzed. The bird saw that an ant were sinking in the water. The correct answer is C. Your books are nice but these are old. The correct answer is C. The old headmaster was walking below the road when he fell down. The correct answer is C. I am tired as I have just come back home from my office. The correct answer is C. We have complained to them so many times about the noise at night. The correct answer is A. You must follow the signal rules blank your safety. The correct answer is B4. The store is blank the park. The correct answer is A near. Hamza looked blank his friend angrily. The correct answer is B at. They were waiting blank the station blank 20 minutes. The correct answer is C at 4. I have been ringing the doorbell blank a while, but there is no answer. The correct answer is A4. Select the preposition in the following sentence. We got lost in the dark. The correct answer is D in. Select the subject of the following sentence. They both knew each other. The correct answer is A they. Select the verb in the following sentence. My brother plays cricket. The correct answer is C plays. She drank hot water. The correct answer is B drank. Please open the window. The correct answer is B imperative.